Welcome to SURAJ group of education YouTube channels. Today we are teaching lesson 4 Civics features of the democratic government class 6th. Let's start. Nelson, everybody heard know about the Nelson Mandela. He is the Mahatma Gandhi of South Africa. He is also black South Africans. He is non-European and he is in 25 years in the prison. Why he is in 27 years in the prison? Because he was fighting against the apartheid. What is the meaning of apartheid? Apartheidness is the against white and black Africans in the South Africa. There is discrimination on the basis of racial is known as apartheid. The meaning of apartheid is apartness in the Africans, means the differentiation in the Africans, black and white Africans. He fight nearby 27 years and in 1994 he became the first black South African first president of the South Africa. He was the leader of National Congress and he abolished apartheid in 1994 and became a democratic country, racial democratic country in South Africa. Let's start. What is apartheid? It is the system of racial segregation. Means it is the separation between black and white South Africans. There is many discrimination in the between black and white in South Africa. Like blacks, South Africans were not allowed in the common railways departments and they also not allowed in the restaurants or hotel. They could not participate in the vote of for making the government and they have no right to own their property. They have to carry a identification paper and special identification paper and they have to deny to employment also in certain offices. Nelson Mandela opposed between 1948 to 1994. It is nearby 27. Democracy government is two type: presidential democracy and parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy means a prime minister is the head of the government and in presidential government democracy president is the head of the government. Like presidential form of government found in the USA and the India parliamentary government of parliamentary form of democracy. Why we choose the democracy or why is the democracy is the best? Because it is response in this government response for the people and all people have right to equality and all people are participate and they can give opinion in this type of government. There are many features of democratic government like participation, conflict resolution and equality and justice. People can participate two methods: right to vote and right to opinions. And right to vote means we have to vote the government or select our representative in the form of government. Thank you. Have a nice day.